Hi guys, Doug Toler again. I have another new friend, Veronika. Say hi and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Veronika McKenney. I'm a product manager here at Hamilton Beach Commercial.
Awesome. So today, it's release date. It's brand new.
It is. Very
What
excited.
do we got? I'm super excited. Show me what we got.
So this is the new Summit Edge. So it's the latest addition to our high-performance blender line. It's packed with great good thinking that Hamilton Beach Commercial is known for.
Of course.
Yes, and if there were three things that you have to take away from today, it's that it's powerful, it's quiet, and it's very easy to use.
Show me how. I don't think I've yet to hear a blender actually be quiet.
Okay.
You show me.
I show you. Well, I'll tell you about the technology that makes this blender quiet. Right? So, first of all, we have really worked a lot on the quiet shield. It's now made with a sound dampening copolyester.
Wow.
And then now we have got this beautiful 3.5 horsepower motor. It's powerful, makes all the fastest. It's going to blend through anything. It's going to blend through anything and very fast. However, it can be, with power comes a little bit noise, right? So to tame the beast, we have really worked on the lower housing, as we call it, as well. So not only have we created ways of how to redirect the sound and the vibrations out of the blender, but also comes with a stainless steel plate, which is here on top of the blender. That functions as I compare it to like a bed topping, right? On the mattress topping. Right. That sort of dampens down the sound. So those three features, in addition to the fact that this jar is also made out of sound dampening copolyester, make this blender very, very quiet. Yeah, perfect for those environments where you're not looking for the loud bar. We're like, what? I need a Martin. I need a... Yeah. Right. Not just that though, right? It's also important if you have got operators trying to take orders, they want to be able to hear it and the order accuracy. So that helps the order accuracy as well. Right, because it could be at coffee shops or just a little smoothie bar or something like that. It doesn't have to be at like a alcoholic bar. Not that I'm saying that. It's not like that was the first thing that came to my mind. No, sorry. All right, so this looks really nice and different. Right, and we have really worked on simplifying the display as well. It goes back to the easy to use, right? You want people not to be afraid of using a piece of equipment. That's the last thing you want them to do. So we are introducing the first time for this blender line now, the capacitive display, touch display. So it's the same technology as is on your iPhone. So you're no longer pushing buttons, you're touching buttons, and they will react to your touch immediately. What it also helps is the longevity, because there are not as many parts as there may be with membrane switch displays. Therefore, there is more life. Less to go wrong. Right. It's built to last. It's easy to use. And when we're talking about easy to use, as I say, there is, we do have start, stop button, we have a pulse. We also have a variable speed, which is great, so you can choose for your recipe what you need. And we do have these 6 buttons, which also include auto blend, which is a Summit exclusive feature that's been beloved for 14 years on its predecessors. So we have decided to keep it for this unit. And the unit is loaded with 36 standard programs, and you can assign them to any of these. So it's up to you whether you want to go with standard, or if you have a need for a custom program, that's doable as well. All you will have to do is just upload it without USB. Awesome. Now, there's one more thing. But wait, there's more. There is more. Wait, there's more. Making it easy to use in today's very multicultural, multilingual world. This unit actually comes with 11 languages preloaded. So you may have a location where English may not necessarily be the first language. Your staff, it may not be the first language. For ease of use, we have got it loaded with 10 other languages aside from English. Wow. There it is. It's all packed. It's amazing. So what's this? This looks like a blender, but it's not. What is this? It is our accessory for, it's called air whip frothing container. So as you know, or as you may have noticed, cold drinks have really been on incline, taken off. Everyone wants to have cold brew coffee, and then people like to top their cold brew coffee with different cold foams, ideally with inclusions, with some syrups. So it's not only delicious, but it's also very Instagrammable.
Right.
So this is the Abbey frothing container, and it does what it does. It's frothing milk, so it will create a cold foam.
Yeah.
It can also whip like a whipped cream if you decide to make a whipped cream. The standard programs actually do include the frothing cycles. We have got 3 of them. Because depending on your volume and the viscosity or the viscosity that you're looking for,
right,
or the texture of the cold foam you're looking for, that's you can choose between those 3, among those 3 cycles.
Those, right.
Yes.
Because it really just is going to denote how long it is.
Right.
And how
Yes.
long it has
So
to speed.
that will come as an accessory. So the unit will come with a 48-ounce BPA-free container, and then if you do have an operation that's looking for whether it's a whipped cream or cold foam,
right,
you can order the
frother.
The frothing jar. Every frothing jar. Yes.
It's a fun one to say, frothing, especially when English isn't the first
Exactly,
language, right?
Yes. I love that word. That's why we chose to use it.
All right, well, thank you very much. Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or want to see more, call us.